Hi, I'm Michelle, and in this video I'll be showing you how to mix paint for your acrylic pour painting. Today we'll be using Warm Gray by Master's Touch. Glass measuring cups help save on material costs, so we'll be using one today. You can use popsicle sticks to stir your paint, but I like to use a silicone spoon because you can use it again and again. The pouring medium we'll be using today is Floetrol. We're going to want to use silicone oil to get those special effects. Last, we're going to need some water. I like mine a little bit soapy. I'm going to show you how to mix acrylic pour paint using my scale. It's optional, but using one will help you get consistent results. If you ever want to sell your art, using a scale is pretty helpful when it comes to calculating your material costs. First, when your cup is on your scale, set your scale to measure ounces. Now your scale should read 0 ounces. Now we can start adding our paint. I've added 60 ounces of paint. Now that we have our paint put down, it's time to add our medium. Multiply your amount of paint times 3. The total amount you get from this equation is the amount you want to see displayed on your scale. During the recording of this video, the scale reset, so you should actually be seeing 1.80 ounces. Now that we measured out our paint and our medium, it's time to mix it. Welcome back. Now we want to add our water. You want to keep your scale on for this part. This part of the mixing is based on your preference of your paint consistency. Usually you want a thicker consistency, so it doesn't spread too thin on your canvas. You know you're working with a thick consistency when your paint begins to mound at the bottom. You also want to pay attention to how fast your lace disappears. If it disappears slowly, then you have a thick consistency. If it disappears quickly, then you have a thin consistency. I want my mix to be just a little bit lighter, so I'm going to add some more water. Once you're happy with your consistency, look at your scale to see how much water you added. You want to use about the same amount of water throughout all of your paint mixtures. Generally, metallic paints are lighter, so you may want to add less water for those. I like this consistency, so I think we're going to call it. And that's how I mix paint for my acrylic pour paintings. If you have any questions about this process, leave a comment and I'll be happy to get back to you. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you would like more content. Thank you for watching. See you later.